Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video is another holiday edition. So I'm super excited because this look is going to be super easy for you to do. I'm going to do another halo look and I'm going to incorporate the blacks and the silver and glitter. So if you guys want to see how I do this look, then please stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to begin. I already primed my eyes and I did my foundation off camera just for the purpose of the video, so we can just begin with this eye tutorial. So excuse my little headscarf. I just have this so I can put everything back because I just straightened my hair, guys. I feel like a new woman. So what we're going to be placing in our crease area, we're going to be placing G Money. We're going to be placing that in our crease area, and I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush like this, and we're just going to put that all over our crease area. So this is going to be our transition shade. Blend that G Money. I already went Christmas shopping. I already did all my presents, so I'm like ready to go. Once you got that color, now we're going to use a flat brush like this, just like that, and we're going to place this black color right here, and we're going to place it in the inner and outer corner of the eyelid. Just be careful because this black has fallouts. Let me put setting powder. I'm gonna put some setting powder so that fallout won't fall and I will not be disappointed. Now I'm going to grab that black color and I'm putting it in the outer and inner corner. I have a lot of lip space, so it's going to be a lot of black in here. Don't be scared with the black, guys. It's going to look cute. I'm going to use a bigger, flatter brush, and I'm just going to soften that black. Like this brush right here, I'm just going to soften it a little bit. So we won't see no harsh line. Super cute. You see it's starting to get better. And then I'm going to grab that brush that I had, that brown color, that G Money, and I'm just going to blend the black out a little bit. Smoke it out a little bit. Just like that, I'm going to do the other eye. And add more of that black color just to intensify that color. Just so I can have more that pigment. I'm liking that. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to be using Beauty by Pop Sugar. We're going to be using this silvery color, and it says shake well, so I'm going to shake it, and I'm going to add that in the center of the lid. So it's like a grayish color, so I'm just going to add that right here in the center. Finger is your best tool, guys. But this is so pretty. I never used that. This is the first time using it. Look how gorgeous that look. I'm loving it. So I'm just tapping it right now just to give it the desired look that I'm looking for. Just because I didn't cut the lid. Alright, I'm going to do the other eye. Place a little more. Now I'm going to grab that black and just blend it together. I'm using that fluffy brush and I'm just blending everything out. All right, that looking good so far. That looking good so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place in the center, I'm going to place a glitter color, and I'm going to place this color right here. It's like a golden silvery color, and I'm just going to place that into center of that grayish color just to give it a little pop. That is gorgeous. I love it. That actually, that looks beautiful. That glitter gave it a pop. I'm loving it. Just gonna put a little bit more. This is a holiday glam, guys. And this is a super easy look, guys. You can create this and look like you took forever to do an eye look. And this little thing right here, I'm going to place it down below. I got this pack. I got like a whole pack. I got like a whole pack of this on Amazon. So I will link this down below so you guys can check it out. And if you guys want to purchase it, go ahead, because this, I'm liking this little thing. And it was super affordable too. It wasn't that expensive. So anyways, I'm going to grab that black color again, and I'm just going to just intensify that black. My Wet n Wild eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to wing it. Alright guys, so lashes are on. I'm going to be doing my under eyes. So I'm going to be using my 24/7 waterline eye pencil from Urban Decay. And I'm going to place this on my waterline. And it's black. Super black. So I'm going to put that here. I love this pencil. If you guys are looking for a black and intense eye pencil, the Urban Decay 24/7 waterline, this is amazing. Because it's super pigmented. Like, look how dark is that? That's pretty. So all I'm going to do is just put a little bit of that black color under my waterline, and I'm just going to use a taper brush if I can find one, just like this, a taper brush, and I'm just going to put that in my under my lash line, just because I want to intensify that black. Alright, so now I'm going to use that G Money, that brown color, and I'm just going to place it underneath the waterline just to smoke it out with that brown. So now I'm going to put mascara underneath my waterline, and I'm going to be using It's So Big, and this is from Elizabeth Mott right here. I'm going to place that underneath my waterline. So now I'm going to highlight my face and do my lips, and then we're almost done, guys. So I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this gold one right here, and I'm going to place that on my nose, on my lip. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using, I don't know which color. Should I use this one or this one for this look?
2 very boring minutes later.
This one. Alright guys, so I'm going to place this color on my lips. I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to use my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And I'm going to set my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy holiday makeup tutorial. And if you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.